Hi guys, I hope everyone is doing well. This is Mama V over here. So today we are going to look at factorization. So we'll first start by factorization by taking out a common factor. Okay. All right, so we'll look at two examples. All right, so a question will come in the form of factorize the following. Okay, so the question will not be specific to say factorize by taking out a common factor. You should know. Okay, so this we find this in mathematics N1 N2 and also in N3 where you have to apply the knowledge. Okay, all right. So let's get into it. All right. So we will start with this one. Say we are given 5x cubed minus 20x squared. All right. And they say factorize. Okay. So what you do is you look at the terms. First of all, let's go through the terms. So in this expression, we've got two terms. This is an expression because it does not have an equal sign. Okay, and we have two terms. Terms are separated by a sign, in this case a minus sign. So you look, what is it that is common in both of these terms? Okay, we first look at the coefficients. All right, we've got a 5, we've got a 20. A 5 can be divided into, a 20 can be divided into 5s. Okay, so you ask yourself, how many times does a 5 goes into a 20 without leaving a remainder? Okay, then we have an answer for that. Okay, so what you do is you will write the common factor. So the common factor of 5 and a 20 will be a 5. And then you look at the x's. So we've got an x cubed and an x squared. Okay, so with this, x squared is our common factor. And then you open a bracket. Now you do this on the side. So you ask yourself, what is 5x cubed divided by 5x squared? Okay, the 5 will divide, we'll have ones here. X cubed divided by that will be left with only one x. So you can put an x in there, then we bring the sign. You do the same thing again for this term. What is 20x squared divided by 5x squared? Okay, how many times does a 5 goes into a 5? Once. Into a 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 4 times. Okay, so you have your 4 over there. Then x squared divided by x squared, that's a 1. All right, so you have a 4. So we can put a 4 over there. All right, at this point, this becomes your answer because there's nothing you can do. You can't simplify anymore. All right, so this was example number 1. Okay, now let's look at the next example. All right, so say we are given, let's see, say we are given 2mPx minus 3mPy. Okay, and they say factorize each expression fully. So this one. Again, you look at the coefficients. In this case, we have a 2 and a 3. There's nothing common about that. And then we look at the variables. We've got an m and an m. So if we take out an m, that will work. Then we look at a p and a p we have on both terms. So that is common. And then we've got an x, we've got a y. So x and y are not common. Then we open a bracket. So now we ask ourselves, what is 2mpx divided by mp? So when you're starting off, you will be doing this, okay? Because this is basically what you are doing. So you're asking yourself, what is 2mpx divided by mp? The m will divide the m, will have a 1 and a 1. A p and a p will have a 1 and a 1. So we're left with 2x. So we come right 2x over there. Then we say minus. You do the same with the second term. 3mpy. We divide it by the common factor, which is mp, okay? And then the m
Okay,
will
great.
divide the
Okay.
m, the p
Sorry,
will
there's
divide the
something just
p,
flashed, but
so we're
thank
left
you.
with
Thanks for adding the
3y.
update.
So we
I'm
come
not
right
sure
the
why it
3y
has
over
flashed, but
the.
I received a
So
message
there's
asking
nothing
me
you
why
can
it
do from here.
appeared.
So this will
So
be
don't
your
worry about
answer.
it. But if you can
All
just
right
stay
then,
on the line,
guys, that's
you
it
can
for
still get a
today
message to say
for
you are
factorizing by
connected
taking out a
or
common
the
factor.
page
If
was
you have any
detected.
questions, you can always leave a
Sometimes something
message
on the line
on the
may be
comment
updated
section.
to a
I will see you
message,
again in the next
so you can
lesson
get a message
where we look at a
from
different
the
method of
comment to say
factorizing.
your password
All right,
is
then.